Hey everybody, happy St. Patty's. I'm Patrick from GoSun, but I am no saint. However, I am very interested in a good, clean technology future with solar all over. Today, I'm gonna be cooking some corned beef inside the GoSun Fusion. So take a look. Just gonna check and see how this is coming along. That's looking great. We're gonna give that a total of 3 hours today. Okay, let's give it a look-see. Oh, that's gorgeous. Oh, I can hear it sizzling. Okay, that looks like it's well done. Now we're gonna slice up some cabbage, steam this up, and give you guys the best wishes on a happy St. Patty's.